everybody. Today we are Automechanika Frankfurt, Germany, and with Dimsport stand, and with us Mr. Lorenzo, it's the area manager. He's going to introduce for us Dimsport product and what about the new product also.
Okay. Hello everybody. We are here in Frankfurt. We are showing all our products. Dimsport is on the market for more than 30 years now, and we have a full array of products in the chip tuning world. Here you can see our Race Evo software that allows you to modify the engine maps and the parameters of the ECU. We can read the data of the ECU in many ways. We can access to the ECU with trust data by connecting to the external pins or directly with a dedicated connector. So it's a very easy process, very quick and easy process without opening the ECU. As alternative, we can work directly by OBD with this tool called New Genius. And this tool is a touch screen, so it's very simple to use, and you go through the OBD by reading and writing. This is the little brother of my New Genius. This is called My Genius. It's for the end user. You can load files in it, and you can write the files when you want in your own car, so you can store more than one. These are add-on modules from Rapid product line. This is a different product. These are add-on modules that you install in the vehicle without modifying the standard map of the ECU. These are for cars, there are models for bikes, there are models for trucks, and this, last but not least, is a product called a Rapid FR, and it works on the throttle of the cars to modify the response of the vehicle without touching any power and torque.
Always we have always something new, and this exhibition also we will have something new. And Mr. Lorenzo is going to show us what is the new things. Yeah. Please come with us, please.
Here in Frankfurt we introduce a new tool from Byterd, a company that is inside our group. This is the Memo Bike, and it's a brand new version of our diagnostic tool for bikes. It's a dedicated product with over 69 bike brands, and it's born to work as a diagnostic tool only for bike, as easy, as complete as possible. This is a next level kind of approach. It's very easy. You have pictures of the cable that you need to use. It's very user-friendly, so it's very quick, and you don't need a computer. You just have the tool, and with this one, you directly connect to the bike, and you make all the work on the bike.
And how many brands support it?
More than 69 brands.
More than 69
yeah,
brands.
It's really a complete tool, and with this kind of product, together with the Dimsport race bike and rapid bike products, you can really create a full service package for the garage.
شباب زي ما انتم شايفين ده الجهاز البايكس اللي هو الموتور سايكلز الجديد من ديمسبورت، ودي كلها منتجات ديمسبورت زي ما احنا شايفين. احنا دلوقتي في اوتوميكانيكا فرانكفورت في المانيا، وان شاء الله يعني قريب في شهر 11 هيكون عندنا في المعرض كل الحاجات ان شاء الله المتاحه الجديده. ده بالنسبه للاجهزه